Imagine a world where managing projects across various platforms is seamless and effortless for everyone. With Time Doctor's integration, handling tasks in popular apps has never been more convenient and efficient. Tracking time with Asana helps teams understand where resources are spent, enhancing productivity remarkably. Ever considered how quickly you could process payroll with the synergy of Time Doctor and ADP? From Azure DevOps to GitHub, one click can unveil the true focus of your development team's efforts. Incorporate Time Doctor with Jira and see exactly where your team's time is allocated in the project lifecycle. Enhancing communication is easy too, as Time Doctor integrates with platforms like Intercom and Help Scout. Visualize the impact on your company's productivity as you track tasks using tools like Trello and Monday.com. Wave goodbye to manual tracking. Time Doctor automates time monitoring across a multitude of applications. Unlock the door to a new level of efficiency and organization with Time Doctor. Experience it today.